Discover the charm of Liberty County, Texas, on this 0.54-acre wooded lot. Build your dream home in this peaceful area surrounded by plenty of trees. With no restrictions, it's a great opportunity to create your own piece of the county. Come, relax, and enjoy the beauty of this serene location. The lot is conveniently located 26 miles from downtown Cleveland and is approximately a 1-hour drive to Conroe, Texas. Electricity is available in the area, but will require installation. A well and septic system are also required. There are no POA fees, and the property taxes are $72 per year. Owner financing is available. At AGT Properties, we make it easy for anyone to own land in Liberty County, Texas. Make your dreams come true today. Choose AGT Properties. Investments for a lifetime.